am getting ready to head to work. So when I tell you these wigs are convenient, they are. Last night I washed my hair, I deep conditioned it, and then I blow dried it on a low setting just to get it stretched, because that's just how I prefer to wear my hair when I'm wearing these V Part wigs. I like to wear them in a stretched state in a bun underneath. Did everything I needed to do to it last night. Woke up this morning, took a shower, morning routine, and now I'm here. So let's just get into the specs of this wig. This is a 24-inch V Part wig from Beauty Forever Hair, and inside the box it did come with the wig. Y'all, so sleek, so pretty. I'm starting to love these longer lengths. Like, I know it's spring, but like, you know, you still want something to pull out a little length on them, you know what I'm saying? And then also it came with a bag of goodies. Got some lashes, got some banana clips, a cap, and a like satin little fashion, you know, scarf. And now we are here. So very simple. I'm gonna keep this in real time just so I can show you guys how quick it is to install. Let's do middle part. Most of these wigs are designed to just do a middle part, but I have a video where I like finessed a side part and it looked just fine. And then from my middle part, the end section, I'm gonna go in and make this a little thinner. Yeah. There we go. So y'all, this is my leave out. This is my leave out. Yeah, my hair is, yeah, I just got my hair cut and it don't grow right back. Just gonna put that out the way. And for this hair, so I'm going to be doing the simple method. No braids, no twists, no nothing. I'm just gonna brush my hair down. Handy dandy elastics from Walmart. Low bun. Remember not to do your bun or ponytail so tight, because you don't want all that tension on your hair. I'm gonna take my bobby pin and just pin this hair up. Does it? At this step, I'm gonna plug in my flat iron to get it to warm up, because I do flat iron my leave out, and it's okay because I have not had heat damage yet. I feel like you guys can hear my like morning time voice. I brush my teeth, guys. I brush them. I'm gonna drop that down to like 350. Not too hot. All right. I'm gonna unclip. I already have the straps adjusted. Slide it on. You're gonna literally clip it where your part ends or starts. Would that be the end or the start? I don't know. Comb the side. Repeat that process on the other side. Okay. I see I'm pulling it. Not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this part out. It came straight, but of course in packaging it kind of has like that loose type of wave in some areas. God, this hair is thick. All right, now I'm just gonna take down my leave out. Part it how I want it. This is my current heat protecting or like flat iron spray of choice. This is Tresemme Thermal Creations flat iron spray. Just spray that right on my hair. If I wanted to finesse this without flat ironing it, I could, but that's not what I'm trying to get. And that's just the flat iron spray. This is on a very low setting. Once I flat iron, I immediately go in with my part brush or like a rat tail comb with small teeth. I'm gonna repeat the same process over here. Use some type of holding spray on top. Just to keep everything down. And that's it. So that's it. All the information on this hair will be in the description box, so please feel free to check it out. If you're looking for some length, if you're looking for a silk purse with some extensions, you know, if you're looking for a sew-in, a natural, quick weave, I don't know, but y'all see what it's giving. If you're looking for that, go ahead and check it out. Thanks so much to Beauty Forever Hair. But at this point, I gotta get up and go to work. How quick do you guys think you can install a V Part wig? Somebody challenge me down below, because honestly, I could have did it a little faster. So let me know your time, because it's so convenient and so quick to install. All right, if you found this video helpful, give me a like. Let me know down below. Chat it up with me. Do you own a V Part wig? Would you like to? What you looking for? You like straight? You like curly? Like, let me know. Chop it up. I would love to talk to you guys. And yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, bye, beauties.